Good morning, friends. Okay, so it's kind of early, I know. Oh dear. Let me just switch it over here. Okay, friends, as promised, I'll give you a quick tour of my parents' camper van. It is a Ram ProMaster, and they bought it. I think it's like a Winnebago Solus, I believe, with the pop top, which is where I slept last night. All right, so let's go take a quick look. Apologies for the mess, everybody. We've been staying at this beach campground, so the floor is all covered in dust and sand and stuff. But so this van is good for 4 people, can sleep 4 people. The front seats both swivel around, which is super helpful. And this is where I've been sitting while we drive. The lump over here is Tyson. Let's see if he's here somewhere. Well, he's really far in there. So, anywho, then we have a bathroom over here with a cassette toilet. There used to be like a regular door here, but my parents thought it just sort of took up space, so they put up a curtain instead. Then we have this long alleyway, right, with a couple cabinets up top, right? And then we have some storage down here as well, and as well as storage down here. From the back, there's also an extra table. We haven't actually used this yet. Oh, right. But this can come down to be an extra table as well. We haven't used this at all this trip, but it's nice to know that that's an option. This van was also equipped with the ability to hang like bikes, I think, back here, or I don't know, other equipment, but right now we just have a bunch of bungee cords here holding miscellaneous items and a makeshift clothesline. And then so this whole thing becomes, it's a Murphy bed. It actually becomes a bed that lays flat down. Okay, I won't set it all the way up, but essentially this is kind of what it looks like. So it folds down. They got their pillows and their blankets all wrapped up in there. And then you can see there's another big cabinet over there. And I believe this van also has like some flares, right? And these will open as well if they wanted to. Got a propane stove, and the fridge is down here with this pretty good sized fridge. Alright, and this is a ladder that leads up to the pop top, which, by the way, is kind of difficult to set up only because I have a lack of strength. But let me show you guys quickly what it looks like up there. I think it's like a 2-inch memory foam or whatever, and we just carry an extra memory foam mattress to make it a little bit more comfortable for me. But yeah, and it's been super cold up here because this is canvas, I think. So I just brought my Jackery up here to plug my heating blanket in, and it's been pretty nice and toasty for me up here. I don't know if you can tell, my dad is crabbing right now. The line's all the way out there. And he's pulling it in.
Guess what? Nothing.
Oh no, there's nothing in this batch.
Just what?
Just a little one.
Got one.
Just a tiny crab.
It's yellow crab.
In order to catch crabs, we have to get some chicken legs and toss it in as bait. And then, all right, we throw it back out.
One, two, three.
Okay, so we just leave it out there for 15 minutes. Looks like there's some seagulls. I don't know if you can see it. They're trying to steal our crabs. Okay, but anyway, as I was saying, so we leave the trap out there for 15 minutes and hopefully a whole bunch of crabs will crawl into the net and we just pull them up. So my dad has been out here since 6 a.m. and he had texted us saying that he did catch a Dungeness crab, but it was too small, so he had to throw it back. And you can see all the seagulls in the back just waiting, just wait.
We got one at least.
We got one?
Yeah.
Look at the teeny tiny crabs. These are too small to keep, so we're gonna have to toss them back in.
Yeah.
Oh, it's running. Bye.
Yeah. What's this?
This is what my dad has caught this morning so far. Most of these are rock crabs, and I think this one is a red crab, and it's climbing out. It's climbing out. Okay, so it's been 13 minutes. We're gonna try pulling it up, and this time I'm gonna give it a shot, but we'll see if I can do it. Oh God. I think they're all too small. Sorry. He doesn't want to let go. Okay, but look.
Yeah.
That's a lot of eggs. This orange sack right here is the eggs. I don't know if you can see it. I can't get it off the nest. She's sticking on. She's sticking on. I did it. Ladybug out, if you're watching this, I succeeded. I made fire this time. I didn't mess it up like last time. So my dad is cleaning the crab that we caught earlier. And we're gonna cook it up because when you catch them, you gotta cook them immediately, otherwise they're gonna die and it's going to not be good to eat. We just made it to the North Salmon Creek beach, and the waves here are huge. I think there's like a warning going on right now. So, I mean, it's too cold to swim or anything anyway, but these waves look huge. We just climbed all the way from up there. Hi. So we came down to this beach again to see if we could find any mussels, but unfortunately the tide is too high, and we checked to see if it would be low enough at all, but I think we heard that it has to be like -1 low tide in order for us to find any mussels. So sadly, it's not gonna happen this time. That's all right. We caught more crabs this morning. Oh man, you know, coming down to the beach was real exciting, but stairs, bane of my existence. So, good news is we see that there are mussels here. Bad news is it's high tide right now, so we can't get to the mussels without putting ourselves in danger. But that was a fun ride. Looks like there are a slew of people here, just chilling out on the cliff, watching the sunset. It's the perfect place to watch the sunset, actually. So let's get a little closer, shall we? God, it's gorgeous out here. It's so quiet. All you hear is the sounds of like the waves crashing.